Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing how to connect SoundCloud to your Discord, how to integrate both of these items. This is a fairly simple process and you will need certain resources. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to need to get an integration tool such as Zapier. This is a very good and useful tool, and this will allow you to integrate both your Discord and SoundCloud. So first of all, make a Zapier account. Secondly, connect your SoundCloud and Discord accounts via Zapier. Find the SoundCloud integration and connect it to your SoundCloud account. And then go ahead and simply connect that to your Discord account. Now, once you've done that, click Create Zap. Choose SoundCloud as the trigger app and select the event new track uploaded. Choose Discord as the action app and select the action post a message in channel. Once you've done that, you'll be able to customize that specific message however you wish by adding information such as a track title, artist name, and a link to your SoundCloud track. Now, go ahead and test this a few times. Once you're satisfied, that should just about cover it, and you have now successfully integrated both your SoundCloud and Discord. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.